Hey guys, as you can see, I try to more password input, but it's not working in this mobile. This mobile has problem in password and personal lock. So now I am going to reset and factory reset. So you have to hard reset this mobile. You can see here this mobile is F9. I am going to hard reset. So now you have to hard reset this mobile by power button and volume minus button. You can see here. So start and press two button both. You can see here, press the both button and volume minus button, press power button and leave the power button when start your mobile. So you do it and hold the volume down button. You can see here recovery mode. Here you can see recovery mode and press and click on English. You can see here English. After you have to click on web data. You can see here and click on web data. Okay, it's clearing now. You can see here and okay. Now you have to reboot your mobile. Okay. Hi, there are setup. You can see here. Then you have to continue it, and then you have to select regional, your country. So now after that you have to next, and then you have to escape click. After continue and more, I agree. You can see here escape, follow my step all in one, and then you have to click setup new, get started. So guys, it is completed. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. If any problem, you can search get and my channel. So I am going to next videos. Bye, be back later, see you next